Welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share 10 most profitable home-based business idea that you can start today. While there are countless ways to start a home-based business, there are 10 of the most approachable home business idea to consider. Number 1, sell homemade product. Number 2, purchase product in bulk and sell them online. Number 3, start a dropshipping business. Number 4, start a print on demand business. Number 5, purchase an existing e-commerce business. Number 6, start a subscription box business. Number 7, teach online classes. Number 8, start a service based business. Number 9, sell digital product online. Number 10, build an online following that you can monetize. So here are the little bit details about all of them, like sell homemade product. If you love to create things at home, and then you can easily start sell homemade product on online, and there are a lot of video guidelines that you can follow and learn how to start selling homemade product on online. Okay, then start a dropshipping home business. If you like the idea of running an online store but you are not sure what to sell, then you can consider starting a dropshipping business from home. Plus, this is a home business idea with low startup cost. Similarly, if you like to create a art and eye-catching design but don't want to make them product yourself, you could start a print on demand business from home. Another way to sell product online is to buy product in bulk, also known as a wholesale, and sell them individually. Purchase an existing e-commerce business. If you don't have the time to set up a home-based business from scratch, you could always buy an existing home business opportunity via the exchange marketplace. This website facilitates the sales of e-commerce business in a range of niche. Plus, you can buy a established business or relatively new business.